Alright, we are on the road, headed north. We have 22 bikes today, more people than that. Headed up to Weyerhaeuser, but the long way. A lot of twisty, turny roads. Headed up through Fall Creek and up towards New Auburn. And again, the long way, we'll just kind of call it out as we go. Heading east on County I. Working our way through the hills over to the south side of Fall Creek, and then we'll turn it north. Already got some beautiful color right in through here. Sure, that's going to be a theme for the day. That is the whole idea. Get out, get in a couple more rides before the snow flies. Enjoy a beautiful fall day. Here, about to cross the Chippewa River and take 178 north. Should be a beautiful ride up through there. It's a segment that gets included in a lot of routes because it's a beautiful section of road, as is the view up the river right here. Awesome. Sunny. Time to peel a layer or two at lunch. Started out in the low 50s this morning, low to mid 50s, but even that wasn't too bad. Ended up Rustic Road 6. This is just north of Highway 64. This is a beautiful road, winds through the forest up here. Getting into some twisties. At least for a segment of this, they put down some new pavement, so that was much needed. Very nice. You don't always see that on the rustic roads. As we crest this hill here in a second are phenomenal. The color off to the north, you can see forever off to the east. I always enjoy riding through a set of curves and watching the long string of bikes in front and back go through the curves. Crossing the Chippewa River on County Road E, Flater's Resort. Rolling into Weyerhaeuser. Gonna find out if whatever little bar or bar and grill we're going to can handle a good sized group of bikers. And I believe the place is Birdie's that we're going to there. Alright, we had a lunch at Birdie's in Weyerhaeuser, just rumbling through the leaves. Heading north on W. Take a little loop and work our way to Chautauqua for some ice cream. North on County W, up into the Blue Hills. Yeah, the colors are really popping up through here. Torchwood. But UTVs and ATVs are sure out today. More than a few trailers parked at some of the parking lots along the trail system. So this is Rustic Road 18. Here, Prairie Lake to the north. Well, wrapping up another great day on the bikes. At this point in the year, every day on the bikes is a great day. It's north of New Auburn now, kind of working our way south. Thanks to Chris for stepping in and leading the ride today.